Alright, welcome back to another one of these e-bikes. This is part 2 of the chopper build. So basically we have a 1000 watt motor on a 24-inch wheel. It's a 48 volt, we have a speedo, and we have our throttle, maybe long enough. We have the battery enclosure, what we built, nice and sweet. We have a charger and an on and off switch. So yeah, a big mo. Right. We go around this side. You see, we have a 52 volt 20 Ah battery, 30 amp, and our controller. All I've got to do is just basically put the cover back on and screw it on. But yeah, that's this side missing the cover, and everything's wired up nice and neatly. The only thing we're missing is a front disc, what we need to attach for the front brake. So yeah, we've got a 48 volt with a 52 volt battery, 48 volt amp in there, 1000 watt. We have a 1000 watt hub, 48 volt. So yeah, I went higher on the battery, so because it's a 48 volt, so basically we've got 4 volts extra. 52 volt, and I think it's a 48 volt battery, 52 volt max charge. So yeah, not bad. We have a few volts to play with before she goes low. And yeah, she's capable of doing about 30 miles an hour. So yeah, this is the future. Build a few bikes. We have the old E30 there. That's my other project. That sat there for about the last 7 years. We have a Mark 1 Sierra 3-door. That's my EV projects coming soon. All the bikes now are green electric. So yeah, I have a few more of the bikes I'm doing. Got a 3-wheel trike. Actually, I got 1, 2, 3 3-wheel trikes lying around somewhere. One I picked up a few days ago, and that wasn't working. Battery was knackered, everything like that. So rewired it. On this one I built the battery myself. I never took much pride into it, but yeah, there was a few cells in there, 52 volt 20 Ah. So yeah, we got the pedal assist, so we make it legal when we pedaling. If you want to see any more builds, or if you want to know anything about it, just comment below. I'll try and answer any questions. Yeah, so we have our Paul Walker. All what's missing in my eyes is a nice flag with a pirate symbol, skull and crossbones, nice black and white pirates. That's all I've got to put on. Alright, so stay tuned and you'll see the next video.